This is gonna suck. Bad. I'm going for it. Fuck it.
Dude, you're on the side of a double-decker bus. It's like, I know I should ask for a lot more money.
Thanks for the pain. Oh, get out of the way, dogs.
Okay, wait.
Get back, Bandit. Shut up, burn it. Get back, Bandit. It's coming out. Oh my God. Hey, y'all want to know what pain is? Fucking, this is pain, you pussy motherfuckers. Oh, goddamn. Oh, goddamn. There it is.
Oh, it came out.
God damn it. Give me a Band-Aid and some peroxide shit. Look, Byron. Look at this.
Good job. Oh my gosh, pierce your face with it. Put it through your nose.
Little meat on the end there.
Good job.
Look what she come in with. Fuck you. Fuck that.
Oh, look, she came in with two.
Bitches ain't doing this shit to me. I want to torture a motherfucker.
Yeah, we do, motherfucker. Try to
He
run.
had me pull 2 teeth and he pulled
I know.
that out.
He's
That's enough.
pulled 2 teeth.
Turn the video off. I've had enough publicity.